Let us start the another activity, that is sunlight is necessary to form the starch in green plants. How sunlight is important to the photosynthesis we have to prove. So let us start the activity. For that purpose we have to take a potted plant. Potted plant we should take for the experiment purpose. So this is the pot, and this is the leaf. So these are the leaves. So potted plant we have to take, and next step, so we have to de-starch the potted plant. How do you de-starch the plant? So we have to take the potted plant and keep it in the dark room for 3 days or approximately 1 week. In that time starch will be removed from the leaves. So that de-starched plant we need now. So we have to take the de-starched plant. Now select a leaf for the experiment. So next we have to take a black paper. Black paper we have to take, on which a design cut is there, black paper. So this is the black paper. On this black paper a design will be there. For example, S shape design will be here, design, and this is totally black paper. So take this black paper and keep on the surface of the leaf. So this is the leaf, and this is the design will be there, design. So in that way, so you have to take the black paper, arrange the black paper on the surface of the leaf, and put the clips. These are the clips. Arrange the clips so that light does not enters into the leaf. So in that way you have to arrange the black paper, and take this apparatus and keep in the presence of the sunlight for a few hours. After some time you have to take the potted plant and remove the black paper and test with the iodine solution. Then what happened? So now this is the leaf. This is the leaf. On this leaf, this is the pot on which we kept the black paper, and this is the design. So which part, for example, from out of this total pot, which part of this converts into the blue black color, we have to see in the iodine test. So now you tell me. So this is the design cut, so it is exposed to the sunlight. This pot performed the photosynthesis, produced the starch, and with iodine test it converts into the blue black color. So these parts convert, this S shaped design cut convert into the blue black color. What about the remaining part? Remaining part is under the black paper, so that it is unable to get the light. So when light is not there, it is unable to perform the photosynthesis, and starch is also not formed. In iodine test it remains colorless. So this part is colorless, and this part converts into the blue black color. So by this experiment we proved that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Once again I will repeat. Take a potted plant. Next, de-starch the potted plant. To de-starch the plant, keep the potted plant 3 days or 1 week in a dark place, so that starch will be removed from the leaves. Next, take the black paper on which a design cut will be there. Arrange the black paper on the leaf and arrange the clips. Next, keep this apparatus, keep in the presence of the sunlight for a few hours. After few hours, you have to remove the black paper and observe the changes with the iodine solution, or test the leaf with iodine solution. When you test with the iodine solution, the design cut part converts into the blue black color, and remaining part will be colorless. What is the reason? The part on which design will be there, that only get the sunlight. So that's why that will form the starch with the help of the photosynthesis process. That's why with the iodine solution it converts into the blue black color. The remaining part unable to get the sunlight, so that's why it did not perform the photosynthesis. It is unable to form the starch, so that's why with iodine solution it remains colorless only. So that's why in that way we proved that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. This experiment is also called black paper experiment. What do you call? Black paper experiment. This is also called black paper experiment.